Brain class, welcome to our mental maths video. Use this video every day and keep practicing so you can get really good at these skills. Join me now as we read numbers to 100 in numerals. We're going to use the 100 square. Here, when I point to a number, say it out loud and then I will say it a little bit after to check you've got it right. Are you ready? 13, 47, 51, 74, 39, 11, 66, 98, 72. Let's look at some tricky ones. We're going to look at this line here. These are our teen numbers. You can see that all of the numbers have 1, 10, but they all have different ones. Let's go through them together and have a look. 11 has 1 10 and 1 1. 12, 1 10, 2 ones. 13, 1 10, 3 ones. 14, 1 10, 4 ones. 15, 1 10, 5 ones. 16, 1 10, 6 ones. 17, 1 10, 7 ones. 18, 1 10, 8 ones. 19, 1 10, 9 ones. And then we go to 20 with 2 10s and 0 ones, or 20 ones. Let's go through the numbers together. Ready? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Did you notice that after the number 13, all of our numbers end in the word teen? 13. If you look at this number over here, this is 30. 13, 30. 14, 40. 15, 50. 16, 60. 17, 70. 18, 80. 19 and 90. Now we're going to look at counting forwards and backwards to 100 from any number. We're going to use the abacus for this. Let's look at the abacus closely first. Here are our beads. You can see that there are 10 on one line. Let's count in tens and see how many there are. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So there are 100 beads on our abacus. You can see that each row of 10 is split into 2 different colours. Half of 10 is 5. Let's now count in fives. Ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Let's now find a number. I'm going to choose the number 30, 10, 20, 30, 2, 3 10s and 2 1s make 32. Let's count forward from the number 32. Ready? 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Let's stop there. I'm going to make another number now. Count the 10s with me and then count the 1s. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74. 7 10s and 4 1s make 74. Let's count backwards from 74. 74, 73, 72, 71, 70, 69, 68, 67, 66, 65, 64, 63, 62, 61, 60. Let's count in 2s, 5s and 10s using the coins this time. Let's start with the 5p coins. Count with me. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70. Now let's count in 2s using the 2p coins. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. Now for the 10p coins. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Now we're going to estimate, compare and order numbers to 20 using my counting stick. Let's say that this end of my counting stick is 0 and this end of my counting stick is 10. That means that each colour is going to be 1. Let's count. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 spaces on my counting stick. Now let's say my counting stick is all the way to 20. This side is 0 and this side is 20. We're going to have to count in 2s this time. Each time we get to a line, we're going to add 2 more. Count with me. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Good job. Okay, where would the number 10 be on my counting stick? We know that 10 is half of 20. So where would a 10 be on my counting stick? You're right, it's here in the middle. If 10 is here, where do you think 5 would be on my counting stick? We know that 5 is half of 10. That's right, it's here. But it's not on a line this time, it's in the middle because 5 is not a multiple of 2. Where do you think 18 would be on my counting stick? Would it be here? No, that's too close to 0. What about here? No, that's too close to 10. What about here? You're right, 18 is close to 20. Now we're going to look at number bonds to 10 and to 20. If you're not sure about your number bonds to 10, you can look back at the number bonds to 10 video that we did earlier on in the year. I'm going to play number bond tennis with Olive Bear. You might want to back the number at the same time Olive does. Let's do our number bonds to 10 first. Ready? 5.
5.
4.
6.
10.
0.
2.
8.
0.
10.
3.
7.
4.
6.
8.
2.
10.
0.
8.
2.
7.
3.
5.
5.
Great job. Let's have a go at our number bonds to 20 now. Ready? 10.
10.
11.
9.
19.
1.
16.
4.
4.
16.
20.
0.
11.
9.
16.
4.
5.
15.
1.
19.
18.
2.
3.
17.
10.
10.
20.
0.
7.
13.
16.
4.
19.
1.
Now we're going to have a look at recognising multiples of 2, 5 and 10. To do this, we're going to look at our number square. We're going to count in multiples of 2 first. Count as we go to 20. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Did you notice that all of our multiples of 2 end in 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0? Let's look at the team numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. So they must always end in that number if they are a multiple of 2. Let's look at some other numbers. Is 62 a multiple of 2? It is, because it ends in a 2. Is 55 a multiple of 2? No, because 55 doesn't end in 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0. Now let's count in multiples of 5. Ready? 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Did you notice with our multiples of 5 They always end in a 5 or a 0. Let's see if we can spot any more. Is 32 a multiple of 5? No, because it doesn't end in a 5 or a 0. Is 30 a multiple of 5? Yes, because it ends in a 0. Now let's count in tens. Ready? 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Did you notice with our multiples of 10, they always end in a 0? So, would 34 be a multiple of 10? No, because it doesn't end in a 0. Is 60 a multiple of 10? Yes, because 60 ends in a 0. Some numbers might be a multiple of 2, 5 and 10, just like the number 10. The number 10 is a multiple of 10 because it ends in a 0. It's a multiple of 5 because it ends in a 0. And it's a multiple of 2 because it ends in a 0. I wonder if you can find any more. Now we're going to look at adding and subtracting numbers to 20. Over here, I have the game Make 10. You can play this game at home. You need to write the numbers 1 to 10 down with an equal sign next to it. Then you are going to pick a number and find 2 numbers that go together to make that number. Let me show you. I'm going to start with an easy number. I'm going to choose 10 because I know that 5 and 5 make 10. So here I'm going to write 5 add 5. 5 add 5 makes 10. I'm going to now choose another number. I think I'm going to choose the number 9 next because I know that 9 is 1 less than 10. So 9 equals 10, subtract 1. 10 subtract 1 is 9. Next, I think I'm going to choose the number 6. Now I know that 3 and 3 make 6, but I'm going to use 3 numbers this time. So I'm going to choose 3 add 2, which I know makes 5, and 1 more makes 6. Have a go at your own. Maybe you can try them with different calculations. Now let's look at finding small differences. If I choose the numbers 3 and 2, what is the difference between 3 and 2? You're right, you can see that the difference is 1. Let's try with a different number. I'm going to choose 10 and 8. 5 and 3 make 8. What is the difference between 10 and 8? You're right, it is 2. Let's try one more. 10, 20, 30, 1, 32, and let's try another one. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. What is the difference between 32 and 34. The difference is 2. You can see they both have 3 10s, but 32 has 2 1s and 34 has 4 1s. Now I'm going to teach you how to play the game Bing Bong Zong. You say the words Bing Bong Zong together, and when you say the word Zong, you need to show a number on your fingers that is less than 10. I'm going to play with Olive Bear. You might want to play with somebody in your home. Bing Bong Zong. Ooh, Olive has 3 and Miss Davis has 6. What is the difference? The difference is 3. That time, Miss Davis found the difference first, so she gets 1 point. Let's play again. Ready? Bing, bong, zong.
3.
Oh, Olive Bear, you were quick then. Olive was first, so she gets the point. Let's do one more. Ready? Bing, bong, zong. 5. I have 6. Olive has 1. The difference is 5. Miss Davis wins that point. To end our mental maths video, we're going to learn 2 songs.
Oi, Sid!
What, Eddie?
Just wondering what the difference in height is between your tower and our tower.
Dunno. How big's your tower?
Our tower is 6 blocks high. Our tower is 6 blocks high. Our tower is 6 blocks high. Tell us about your tower. Our tower is 8 blocks high. Our tower is 8 blocks high. Our tower is 8 blocks high. What is the difference? The difference is 2 big blocks. Let's try another one. Our tower is 12 blocks high. Our tower is 12 blocks high. Our tower is 12 blocks high. Tell us about your tower. Our tower is 7 blocks high. Our tower is 7 blocks high. Our tower is 7 blocks high. What is the difference? The difference is 5 big blocks. Let's try another one. Our tower is 10 blocks high. Our tower is 10 blocks high. Our tower is 10 blocks high. Tell us about your tower. Our tower is 6 blocks high. Our tower is 6 blocks high. Our tower is 6 blocks high. What is the difference? The difference is 4 big blocks. Let's try another one. Our tower is 19 high. Our tower is 19 high. Our tower is 19 high. Tell us about your tower. Our tower is 13 high. Our tower is 13 high. Our tower is 13 high. What is the difference? The difference is 6 big blocks.
Hey, anyone for a cup of tea?
Haven't had a tea break for 20 minutes. This building's thirsty work, isn't it? Have you got any jammy dodgers? Oh, great, I love jammy dodgers.
Farmer Petey had 10 sheep, all were in the pen. 10 were safe and none had gone. 10 add naught makes 10. Oh dear, said Pete, where is my sheep? There's 9 here in the pen. 9 are safe and 1 has gone. 9 add 1 makes 10. Oh dear, said Pete, where are my sheep? There's 8 here in the pen. 8 are safe and 2 have gone. 8 add 2 makes 10. Oh dear, said Pete, where are my sheep? There's 7 here in the pen. 7 are safe and 3 have gone. 7 add 3 makes 10. Oh dear, said Pete, where are my sheep? There's 6 here in the pen. 6 are safe and 4 have gone. 6 add 4 makes 10. Oh dear, said Pete, where are my sheep? There's 5 here in the pen. 5 are safe and 5 have gone. 5 add 5 makes 10. Oh dear, said Pete, where are my sheep? There's 4 here in the pen. 4 are safe and 6 have gone. 4 add 6 makes 10. Oh dear, said Pete, where are my sheep? There's 3 here in the pen. 3 are safe and 7 have gone. 3 add 7 makes 10. Oh dear, said Pete, where are my sheep? There's 2 here in the pen. 2 are safe and 8 have gone. 2 add 8 makes 10. Oh dear, said Pete, where are my sheep? There's 1 here in the pen. 1 is safe and 9 have gone. 1 add 9 makes 10. Oh dear, said Pete, where are my sheep? There's none here in the pen. None are safe and 10 have gone. 0 add 10 makes 10. Oh phew, said Pete, I found my sheep. They're all back in the pen. I found them up in the tractor shed, but now they're back again. Now, my darlings, don't you do that again. I was really worried about you.
Make sure you keep watching this video and practicing your mental math skills. Bye bye.